Hi guys, welcome to another interactive video on your BigVue panel. In today's time, discussions are as important as ideas. When you all sit together, you brainstorm, that is when the best of all ideas come. Now, if your team, your classroom, your students, they're not all together in one place, your BigVue panel brings life closer. With its high quality camera and microphone, the entire class comes together, your entire presentations, everybody. It feels like you all are sitting together in one room. Now, today we're going to talk about a very interesting feature in the BigVue panel. That is the Airgo Cast. Airgo Cast is a simple feature that allows you to cast any device onto the BigVue panel. You first have to scan the QR code, download the app and then put the pin code. And voila, you've cast it onto the board. Once you've connected your device to the BigVue panel, it opens onto multiple options. You can cast any document directly on your BigVue board. It pops onto the WPS light and you can simply choose anything. So you can simply choose the first option that comes. Once you have chosen the option that suits you best, it opens up and you can simply even edit here directly. Isn't that so interesting? Now this is how you cast any device onto your BigVue panel. Now isn't it so easy? I mean, anything on a smaller screen can cast on a bigger screen. It just makes life super easy, super interesting, and you don't even have to get into multiple cables or lines to cast anything on the BigVue panel. This is all for today's video. Stay tuned for another video. Thank you.